All right, our example 3 here, we have the line 2x plus y equals 7 in red, represented here in the graph. The blue line 3x minus y equals 13, represented in the graph. So we can see our solution is going to become 4, -1. Now this is your hardest type of system of equations here because we don't have either equation written in either the form x equals or y equals, where we can just take something and substitute into the other equation. So what we have to do here is we have to rewrite one of these equations so that we get x equals something or y equals something. So looking at the two, I made the decision that the top equation looked like the easiest to rewrite. So for step 1, all I did is I went minus 2x and then minus 2x on this side as well. So that's how we got y equals -2x plus 7. All right, next, my new system of equations now becomes y equals -2x plus 7, 3x minus y equals 13. So this is my original, and it becomes this system over here, which, by the way, is the exact same system in the graph, right? The red line is still the red line. I just rewrote it so it's in slope-intercept form, if you will, versus this was standard form, correct? So that's all we did. It's the same line. All right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to substitute this 2x minus -2x, I should say, plus 7. And we're going to substitute that in for the y here. Yeah, that wasn't the best drawing there, but it's going to go into this y right here. So you got to be very careful with this because it's 3x minus y. So ready? It's 3x minus -2x plus 7 equals 13. So that is the substitution process. We're taking what y equals and replacing the other y with that. Okay? Next step. We are now going to solve for x. Okay? So you can see down here on the bottom right here, I just solved for x. I did the distributor property here. So I get 3x plus 2x minus 7, right? I'm distributing -1. Got to be real careful with that. Okay? Equals 13. So now I combine like terms. So my 3x and my 2x became the 5x here. Minus 7 equals 13. Then I did the addition property of equality. I added 7 to both sides. So now we have 5x equals 20. And then what did I do? I divided both sides by 4. And so I got 1x equals 4. But we know we're not done. No. That's not what we're trying to find. We're trying to find a point of intersection. So we need x and y. So what's going to be our next step? Well, our next step here is we're going to use substitution. Let me get rid of my face here. Yeah, we use substitution, and we are going to solve for y. So now I could use either equation here. Matter of fact, I can go back to the original and I use either of those equations as well and substitute the 4 in for x, and then we'd solve for y. I'm going to use this top right equation because it was the easiest one. It's in y equals form. So we substitute the 4 in. I get y equals -2 times 4 plus 7. So then we get y equals -8 plus 7. And our final answer for that is y equals -1. All right, so we know x is 4, y is -1. So our last step is we write the answer as an ordered pair. So our answer is 4, -1. Yay, we solved algebraically. We got the exact same answer we got as solving it in Desmos using the graphing method. So that's it. That's solving system of equations using substitution method. That's one algebraic method. We will be learning another algebraic method as well.